It's David Phelps from the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. Many times I see, view, and hear people that want to gain confirmation of whatever their philosophy or perspective is in something in life. It could be anything. It could be relationships. It could be financial. It could be health. It could be in business, whatever it is. People develop their own set of beliefs and confirmations, right or wrong, truthful or inaccurate, but people have their beliefs. And we all, including myself, have a real propensity for what we call confirmation bias. Once we have a belief in something about ourselves or the model we work in, or again, about investing or business or just virtually anything in life, anything that you want to have an opinion about, we developed our beliefs from how we were brought up and what we heard and what we viewed and what we read. It's just ingrained in us. And many times what we have come to believe is not truth. We have to constantly be checking ourselves against what our beliefs are and what is reality. And the only way to do that is to be open to opposite views out there. Best place to do that, I don't think it's typically social media. You can get some help there, but in terms of opposite views, there's plenty of people that push back at you, right? But what I see is people, rather than wanting to check their own opinions and views and beliefs, is they just want to believe what they believe is true. So I see people put out on social media many times is their viewpoint, looking for the likes. So they make some statement about something that they did or they believe in or that works for them that they believe is a universal truth. They put it out as such, and then they wait for all the likes, and the more likes they get, the more they feel like, it's good, I'm doing the right thing. Rather, they should be looking for the people who push back. Now, again, I don't think social media is the forum to do that because it is what it is. And there's just people that are clouding that place up. But if you're inside of a group, and I don't mean it doesn't have to be a formal group, but you've got some kind of a group, community, tribe, board of advisors, people, I call it your five. The people that you built an inner circle with, that you know, like, and trust, and you don't have an agenda on each other. If you will bring your beliefs, your philosophy to that group, small group, informal group, larger group, mastermind group, whatever it is you have, bring those beliefs you have, put it out to that group, and then see what feedback you get. Look for the people who don't necessarily agree, and have a real honest discussion or debate, if you will, about it. Too much dishonesty on Facebook. That's why I don't like it, social media. But real people can have an honest discussion. And when you have that honest discussion, particularly with someone who you respect and you trust, but you just simply have a difference of opinion on something, listen to them and just check your own beliefs to make sure you've looked at every area and you're just not believing what you believe just because that's what you always believed. It's a big mistake. And so many people I see go through life with the confirmation bias, or always looking for confirmation bias in everything they believe or they do. And the fact is, if they would check those beliefs, really have them checked, again, by honest people who don't have an agenda on them, they would find there's many holes in those beliefs. And the sooner you can see that and are willing to admit, I didn't know everything I thought I knew, and there is a different way to do something, or a different way to look at something, that could be a game changer in life. So being willing to be vulnerable means you've got to be around a group of people you trust, and social media is not that place. Stay away from social media when you're really wanting to get real feedback. Otherwise, it's a polluted place to be, and you've got to be very, very careful. Find real people. That's why you need a community. That's why you need a tribe of people that you can relate to, that are on the same path, but you don't all have to agree on how that path goes or what the truth is. Truth is truth, but you can have your truths checked by real people, and that will essentially set you free. So remember, always stay focused on your freedom, and I'll see you next time.